Welcome. In this video I will show you how to perform a factory reset operation to fix bugs and issues on your GoPro Mission 1 camera. First of all, let's turn off the camera by holding down the power button for a couple of seconds, and let's remove the SD card so it doesn't get formatted. To open the SD card door, you have to pull down the handle and then pull the lid, then push the SD card slightly inside, make it jump right out, and then carefully remove it from the camera. Now close the lid, turn your camera on, then swipe down, quick settings menu, go to the second page, select preferences, scroll down to reset, select this option, scroll down, select factory reset, tap on it, confirm, and wait until the factory reset operation is performed. It will take up to a minute. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.